When it's time for us to install your pole, there are several things you need to do prior to the installation. First, Colonial Flag requires the exact place where your pole will stand to be clearly marked or staked by someone in authority over the pole. Second, final grading on your installation site needs to be done before Colonial Flag can install your pole. We won't be doing this part for you. Third, we need to have clear access to your location. Your site needs to be free of dumpsters, large dirt piles, equipment, and so forth, and with enough space for us to place our installation vehicles and equipment. You also need to make sure your installation site is free and clear of overhead power lines. And fourth, we will need to have access to water at your site for the mixing of cement for your pole's installation. As you prepare for your new flagpole's installation, we promise to do our part in keeping it a safe and professional experience for you. We will leave your installation site clean and free of any debris. We will also do our best to keep to a minimum any disruption of your landscaping. Included in your new flagpole's packet is our pre-installation sign-off form. We will need you to fill this out and send it back to us prior to scheduling your installation. Many of the points this form covers are things we have explained in this video. Once you have filled it out, it can be emailed to our installation coordinator at installs@colonialflag.com or faxed to 801-562-1177. If you have any questions regarding this form, please contact your salesperson at 801-562-0123. Once again, thank you for selecting Colonial Flag. If you have any questions regarding your installation, please contact us.